Singapore Airlines KLM. Look what we have. And we have a new package. So let's open it and then see what it is. Okay, I think I need some clearance. Oh, that's a big box. Oh, that's a big box. Oh, that's a big box. Singapore Airlines and KLM. Oh. And let's cut it with the scissors open. Okay. Okay. What? Oh, this is crazy. Oh, and let's see. We have 6 model aircrafts. So with these 2, I have now 8 airplanes, but 12 to be precise. 4 are in Philippines because no reason. So let's see the first one. Okay, and the first airline is what even? Oh my! Let me check. Viewers, can you guess this airline before I take it out? 3, 2, 1. And it's a Philippine airline. The Philippine Airline 777. My God. Welcome to the collection. Philippine Airlines. And look at this, look at the nice stand. It's okay, I'll take this later. And we have our next airplane right here. Oh my. It's okay, I'll just do other side. That's how I rule. Okay, let's see. Guess the next airline, people, before I take it out. 3, 2, 1, and it's FedEx! Go! FedEx! Boing, boing, boing. FedEx 705. Welcome to the collection. But I'm gonna throw these. I'm gonna throw this for a while. Next airplane. Okay. I guess our. Okay, I think we can. So probably need this. Okay. Now guess this airline. 3, 2, 1. And it's a Malaysia Airlines. Wow. Hold up. 1, 2, and now the third one. Okay, where's the stand? Open. This cool way is 777-200 Malaysia Airlines. Wait. Wait, why is it only 2 cents when there are 3? Looks like we're off to finding MH370. Okay, are we forgetting like anything? Okay, never mind. Chicken boxes. So I clean no one cares. so actually no one cares. Next, we have a guess it. Yours in 3, 2, 1. I'll just put it underneath because that's a surprise, buddy. And it's this thing. Oh no. And the aircraft is it's an Asian Airlines. No, crash. Rhoda, I think that recreated Asian Airlines 214. Yours, guess the airline now. And you probably already guessed it because it's easy. And yours, I think you got it right. It's DHL. Well, DHL is really nice here. Bro, is this 757? Brakes after landing. Okay, we got it. And our last aircraft is, guess for the last time, people, and it is a Garuda Indonesia, and it's Garuda Indonesia. Well, Garuda Indonesia is really cool. So now I have 8 airplanes. Well, that was awesome, viewers. Now, goodbye and see you in the next video.